Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to define cash management lookups. Why we need to define cash management lookups? In this task, we do whenever we are implementing cash management module, the primary thing we have to do is set up all the transaction codes in system and populate the meaning of these codes. The main purpose of configuring lookups is like whenever we configure a transaction code in bank statement transaction code task, they should be linked to a transaction type as default. It comes with few transaction codes, but in lookup values, when we configured those values, and those values will be appeared in transaction types. So now let's see how to define those. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, setup financials, search for the task called manage cash management lookups. Open the task manage cash management lookups. Now search for the lookup type called CE underscore transaction underscore type. Click on search. From here you have to define all the transaction codes. Now we can see here, we can see the check, the fee, the bank adjustments and the interest and all. So like this task is very useful to define the bank statement transaction codes. Now click on cancel. Click on home. Or else we will define for sample one sample record. Say manage management lookups, manage cash management lookups, CE underscore transaction underscore type. Select this record and click on OK. Say ERPZEN. This means say it is also a check format. Click on save. I think already it is enabled. Whichever is not enabled will do that. I think wire is not there. We'll take wire. Say save. Say save. Save and close. Click on home. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.